do this.
Hey everyone, I am back from Tanzania and I have got a ton of content to share with you. This trip was all about capturing photo and video content in two very different project areas. The first was an urban setting in the city of Dar es Salaam, which is on the east coast of Tanzania. The second project area was a little more rugged and is focused on the rural, harder to reach areas of the country. This meant a lot more driving and a first for me, getting our truck stuck in the middle of a river. And it took almost an entire village to get us out. More on that story in another video. For now, let's talk drones, because drones are fun and they can capture some incredible footage. Getting a drone into Tanzania is not an easy task. In fact, getting a drone into most of the countries I work in is not super easy. There are forms, paperwork, and permissions that I need to get on top of the paperwork that I've already done to get my standard camera gear into the country. It's not easy. So whenever I can, I try to work with locals. Hire a pilot, rent a drone, keep things simple. In this case, the organization we were working with had a drone ready for us to use, a Mavic 3 Pro. And of course, it captured some amazing visuals. Check out some of this drone footage we captured in Dar es Salaam. This might be some of my favorite drone footage that we captured from the entire trip. This footage shows the urban fringe of Dar es Salaam, a place that's packed with energy, life, and a sort of beautiful chaos, and is reminiscent of many of the suburbs that exist on the outskirts of African cities. From above, you can really see it. The sprawl, the tight passageways, the distance from here to the city skyline far away. There is so much standing in between a person living in this setting and the distant skyscrapers of the city center. When you're down in those laneways taking photos, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. But from the angles we can capture with the drone, things seem to connect and a small piece of the puzzle comes together. You see just how far someone needs to travel, both literally and figuratively, to find work, support their family, and chase a better future. The city lights that represent security and stability seem so far away. And the truth is, no one makes that journey alone. We all need help and support from friends and from community, and sometimes we need help from outside organizations. And I guess that's a large part of why I do this work. It's impossible for me to fix everything, but I can document, I can take photos, and I can show people what I see in front of me. I can use the knowledge and the skills that I have built up over 2 decades of capturing photos to tell stories and capture imagery of people and landscapes. I can then share these photos and tell these stories, and hopefully in some small way that helps. Apart from the drone footage and the distant city skylines, here's some photos that I captured while I was in Dar es Salaam. In the next video, I will walk you through some of these shots, how I captured them, what was happening in the moment, and the stories behind them. As always, stay safe, fly your drone, and capture stories. Document what you see in front of you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.